So the breadth is favorable. The market is now almost at 21,000, another 70, 80 points here and then 21,000 on the Nifty. Adani Group of stocks, they continue to gain weight, and you've got banks which are really giving it some company. Small cap stocks after 2 days of, splutter here and there, a little bit of chop and churn, they are also back on the screen, so to speak. So just 77 points more, and then it could be a print of 21,000. Any large newsmakers post the market? Nothing large. Macquarie analyst meet on Asian Paints. There is a note from CLSA on auto downgrade, but that's about it. I guess the moot point is still that there's a FOMO crowd which is now forcing itself to jump back into the ring, so to speak.
Yeah, just looking at some of the other names, let's see what Patanjali is up to. That could be definitely one stock on our radars. They're looking to grow the premium segment. They're looking at expansion in southern India. So that's the takeaway really coming in from the investor meet yesterday. Asian Paints, Nikunj just flagged off. Macquarie's reiterated a double-digit volume growth. The expectation for second half in the next 5 to 7 years is pretty strong. That stock holds up 1.5% as we speak right now. Bank of India, it's a sizable QIP which opens today, 4,500 crore rupees. That stock starts off with a move of nearly 2% in trade. And Power Grid, which has turned out to be a successful bidder to establish interstate transmission system projects. So look out for that stock as well. CLSA, by the way, has downgraded some of these two-wheeler names, Eicher, Bajaj, Hero, TVS, saying that the stocks are now fairly valued. So Eicher may be seeing a red tick. Hero is just marginally higher. TVS should come up for you on your screens next, and I don't think there's any material move or red tick rather coming in on these names. What's Honasa up to? Fireside Ventures, remember, yesterday was a seller in that near 2% block, and Norges Bank was a buyer with an 0.8% stake. So look out for what this stock does. Oberoi Realty is where they've completed one of the payments to NRB bearings for a land parcel in Thane. So look out for what that stock does. There's of course Pharma too. There's a licensing agreement with Aclaris that they've gotten into. About almost a 1% uptick is what you're seeing on this particular name. But let's just look at what some of the private banks are up to and where this move in the Nifty is really coming in from. So I can see Axis Bank is absolutely flat. Let's see what ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank are up to. 0.5% to less than 1% actually is the move on these stocks. ICICI Bank is absolutely flat. Is it Reliance? Let's see the intraday graph of that stock. That will just come up for you on your screens. HDFC Bank, of course, has made a decent start. Reliance as well is a lot more tempered in trade. ITC, the Adani names, they're the ones which are flaring up ahead. Kunal, what trades are you punching in right now?
So I think ICICI Bank looks attractive from the banking pack, and I think the stock yesterday did pretty well, moving up above that 1,000 mark, and I think also towards its fresh highs. So would look to buy the stock even if there's a mild correction into the stock today.
Right. And Naresh, your strategies?
So that would be a buy on Maruti, which is setting up for a breakout into new all-time high. So this could go test the 11,300 mark in the short term.